welcome. If you're looking to stop Gmail from syncing emails on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you want to save battery, reduce data usage, or just take a break from email notifications, this step-by-step guide will show you how to pause Gmail syncing quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Now, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on that to open the main menu. Scroll down through the menu options until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings to move to the next step. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Tap on the specific email account for which you want to stop syncing. Once you're inside your account settings, look for an option called Manage Labels. Tap on it to access the different folders and settings for your emails. Next, tap on Inbox. This is where you'll find the sync settings for your main incoming emails. Inside the inbox settings, look for the option labeled Sync Messages. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for how Gmail syncs your emails. To completely stop syncing, select None. This will prevent Gmail from automatically downloading new emails for this account on your device. That's it. You've now stopped Gmail from syncing emails on your mobile. From this point on, your Gmail app won't fetch new emails for this account unless you manually refresh the inbox. Remember, you can always reverse this process and turn syncing back on whenever you need to start receiving emails again. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone else who might need a break from constant email notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound peace and quiet.